silver jubilee. Now coming to Jasmine. Jasmine, it belongs to family Oleaceae, so it was asked many times, so you remember it. And Jasminum samba gundumala, it is a tetraploid, and Jasminum primulinum, it is also tetraploid. Jasminum primulinum, it gives yellow flower. And jasmine, it was derived from the Arabic word yasmin, and it is a perennial shrub. TNEU has developed techniques for the export of jasmine to the international market, like in Dubai and USA, and this technique has been patented. So what they do is the jasmine, they either make strings or like loose jasmine. They treat it with 4% boric acid, and they put it into either CFB box or thermocol, and sometimes they put a layer of ice packs and they send it to the foreign market. These are some of the species that gives yellow, red, yellow, white, and pink color. You can go through it. Mostly SRF experience, you can remember these species. And here I have given some of the common name of the jasmine, its scientific name, where it was originated, pruning time, spacing, and yield. You can go through it later. And this is again a very important table, so kindly go through it and revise it again and again. And so seed viability for jasmine is usually 10 months, and 1 ton of fresh flower, it gives 2.8 to 3 kg of concrete. And some of the eminent breeders, I have seen in the past, like they have asked even the breeder's name also. There will be options will be given, and which of the following are eminent breeder of like Dahlia or even jasmine and all. It is given in instant horticulture. So for some of the crops, you please go through that, and it will be asked in multiple questions. So for jasmine, eminent breeders are S. Muthuswamy, Madhava Rao, Bhupal Rao, and H.C. Srivastava. And quality jasmine perfume, it is produced from France, from the grass regions. And famous jasmine oil is produced from Spanish jasmine. And here are some of the species, their self-life, concrete recovery, and concrete yield. You please go through it. And there's one variety from IHR, Orca shuravi, which is a variety of Jasminum grandiflorum, and Orca aradhana is a variety of Jasminum samba, and Orca orpon is a variety of Jasminum multiflorum. Now coming to Crocandra. Crocandra is also called firecracker plant, and it belongs to family Acanthaceae, and it is originated from Indo-Malaya region. And what I want to request everybody, like the plants, whichever be it shrub, trees, or any of the cord flowers, or even loose flowers or minor flowers that is originated from India, please make a separate note for that. And in the past, the plants that which is originated from India has been asked many times. Crocandra, it is commercially cultivated in Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and Andhra Pradesh, and the southern states mostly occupies 15% of the area. Some of the cultivars are orange Crocandra. It is a tetraploid variety. Delhi Crocandra, it is a triploid. Then lutea yellow, it is a tetraploid, and Scabulus red, again it is a tetraploid variety. Here are some of the pictures. And variety that is developed from IHR Bangalore is Arka Ambara and Arka Ambara, Arka Kanaka, Arka Sravya and Arka Shriya. For Arka Ambara and Arka Kanaka, please remember its flower color. Ambara is orange color and Arka Kanaka is yellow color. Now we'll talk about tuberose. Tuberose, it's also commonly called as Rajnigandha, and it is originated in Mexico, and it is propagated through bulbs, and it should be at least a minimum of 25 to 30 grams or 2 centimeter in diameter, and it is adapted. Usually it is a tropical plant, but it is adapted to subtropical conditions also. You can see tuberose growing in Himachal Pradesh as well. So optimum temperature is 25 to 28 degrees centigrade, and this is the spike. Inflorescence is called spike, and it opens acropetally. That means the basal flowers open first, then it moves upward. There are some of the single varieties and double varieties. Single cultivars are mostly fragrant, and it is used for productions of essential oil, and it usually contains 0.08 to 0.1 percentage of concrete. Although for different varieties different concrete recovery is there, but in general from single cultivars we can produce this amount of concrete. And Rajat Rekha, Prajal, Shringar, Calcutta Singer and Mexican Singer are the single cultivars. Use Kolkata single and Mexican single as name only suggests, so you will not be confused. Whereas Rajat Singar, Prajal and Shringar, Rajat Rekha, Prajal and Singar, they may ask whether it is a single cultivar or a double cultivar. Please remember this one. In single cultivar, what happens is usually we get a single row of the parent, and in double flowers we have more than 2 rows of this parent. And some of the double cultivars are Swarna Rekha, Subhashini, Vaibhav, Arka Nirantara, Kolkata double and Mexican double. Varieties developed from IHI is Shringar. It is single. As you can see, we have only it has only single row of parent. And Subhashini, it is a double. And Prajal is single and Vaibhav is double. Again, their parentage I have given. You can go through it. And from NBRA Lucknow, we have 2 very important cultivars, Rajat Rekha and Swarna Rekha. Again, I said Rajat Rekha is a single flower type, and it is a mutant of single Mexican single, and Swarna Rekha, it is a double flowered, and it is a mutant of